Yes. How do you propose to handle the Bangsamoro juridical entity component in the aborted memorandum of agreement with the MILF?
Okay, I think the Bangsamoro juridical entity can be considered in a totally new renegotiation, moving in a similar direction. But as I mentioned earlier, with greater transparency and clarity, participation, decision-making, including its relationship to MNLF and ARM. And this refers back to Senator Cheese's comment earlier that we need to have among the Muslims, the Moros, a kind of their own process among themselves where they can agree to a larger situation. And therefore, what is important in that context, and one of the things they have to agree upon, and also the Christian side, is what is the relationship of the BJE to the central government. This was one of the key issues that was not framed, and how do we resolve the very strong sense of self-determination within the context of our own joint destiny as a nation. I am open for constitutional amendments if necessary, but not in the context of CONAS. Never in the context of CONAS, which will be another excuse to just open this thing in a can of worms, but in a properly constituted constitutional convention with the proper representation from our Moro brothers and sisters. So therefore, I'm open for renegotiating it with the proper consultation amongst people's system.